Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I am going to share a super affordable haul from Mr. DIY. I'll show you everything I bought along with the price and how you can use these products in your daily routine. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the haul. So the first product I bought is this cleansing sponge and its MRP is Rs 77. A cleansing sponge is really helpful when you are washing your face. Instead of just using your hands, you can use this sponge with your face wash or cleanser. It helps to create a nice foam and clean the skin more effectively by gently removing dirt, oil, and leftover makeup. You just need to wet the sponge, apply a little cleanser, and gently massage your face in circular motions. It also gives a mild exfoliation which can make you feel smoother and fresher. Next I got these press-on nails which come in a set of 12 pieces with adhesive tape and the MRP is Rs 60. These nails are in a beautiful pink and silver color which looks very stylish and perfect for occasions or even casual outings. The best part about press-on nails is that they are very easy to apply. You just need to clean your nails, stick the adhesive tape and press the artificial nail on top. In just a few minutes you get a salon-like manicure at home. They are also great if you want pretty nails for a short time without going to the salon. The next product is this Acne needle or Blackhead extractor and its MRP is Rs 71. This tool is used to remove blackheads and whiteheads safely. It has a small loop that helps press around the clogged pore to extract the impurity. Before using it, it's important to clean your face and sanitize the tool properly. It works best after steaming your face because the pores are open and extraction becomes easier. But remember to use it gently and hygienically to avoid irritation or marks on the skin. Next I bought this makeup puff in a really pretty purple shade. The MRP of this product is Rs 49. Makeup puffs are very useful for applying compact powder, loose powder, or even blending foundation. You just take a small amount of product and dab it softly on the skin to get a smoother and even finish. It helps makeup look more natural and well blended. Plus the color is really cute and the puff feels soft and comfortable to use. Now let's move to the hair accessories because Mr. DIY has some really cute and affordable options. First is this jaw clip in a deep brown color and the MRP is Rs 59. Jaw clips are perfect for quick hairstyles. You can use them for a messy bun, half up hairstyles, or simply clipping your hair back when you are at home studying or working. The brown shade is very neutral and elegant, so it can almost match any outfit. Next is this bow hair clip in a blue shade with cute polka dots all over it and its MRP is Rs 54. This clip is perfect if you want to add a cute and playful touch to your hairstyle. You can use it in open hair, ponytails or half up hairstyles. It's very nice accessory for casual outings, college or even photos. Then I got this set of 3 hairbands and the MRP is 69. Hairbands are super useful for keeping hair away from your face while studying, doing makeup, skincare or working out. They are also great for simple everyday hairstyles and having multiple bands means you can match them with different outfits. Finally, I bought these 4 small scrunchies which were around Rs 50. They are great as they hold your hair without pulling too tightly and they are perfect for ponytails, braids or messy buns and they are much gentler on hair compared to regular rubber bands. So that was everything I bought from Mr. DIY in this affordable haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing these useful beauty and hair accessories at budget friendly prices. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting, useful and affordable finds like this. Also let me know in the comments which product you like the most.